Hi, Renee McLaughlin here. In this video, I want to show you that even if you cannot get yourself down on the ground to do a full plank, or even on a chair, you can still participate in the plank challenge. You can do a plank against a wall. You can do a plank up against your kitchen counter. It's all about just creating that tall frame where your feet are hip width apart, tailbone is down, and you're holding your weight with your upper body. That's all there is to it. So there can be different ways to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it up against here, but having your arms right in alignment with your shoulders this way and the elbows in. That feels most comfortable for me. So how do we do it? One thing is, even though, just like on anything, if you have weak wrists or painful wrists, you can do it on your forearms or use the fingers spread wide in a jazz, create a suction cup with your hands, and that way when you're pressing there, the weight's not on your wrist. This is how I'd suggest getting into it. You're going to face your wall, feet hip width apart. I'm going to come right to here. I'm going to draw my arms down till my ribs come up. Did you see that? So I can do it right here where my wrists are over my shoulders. That can work as well. You want them to be in alignment. So kind of check first that your wrist, elbow, everything's in a straight line. You can create a suction. And then once you're there, you're going to think, push in, ribs up, and then begin to walk those legs out. Now notice when I did it from there, as I brought my body out, now my arms are too high. That doesn't feel all that comfortable, although you can still do it. Watch what I'm doing between my shoulder blades. If you sink, you have to press up. So you can certainly do it here. I'm going to bring my arms down now so that once again, my shoulder, elbow, wrist are in a straight line. I'm going to press through here and I'm having my weight all in here. Now, a lot of us tend to do this. We lift the hips up. You don't want to do that with this. So once you get yourself in that position, you're stretching through your shoulder blades. You're keeping your head right in alignment, so don't drop it and don't look up. So that puts pressure on that the cervical spine. You're in this position, pressing away. Now think about your tail. Pull the tail down to connect into your heels. See how nice that is? So here's the difference. Hips are up, hips are down, right in alignment, not dropped forward like that, not putting pressure there, just down in a straight line. Tail is down. Now when the tail goes down, automatically that draws the belly up. So I want you to take your first inhale into your belly. The belly will expand. Now exhale, tail down, draw that lower belly in as you exhale, hold it in, and now your next breath coming into your ribs east to west. You ready? So tailbone stays down, belly in, inhale. You'll feel the rib cage flare out and then knit the ribs together on your exhale. And there you have it. Just holding the weight of your body in this tilted position, drawing that belly up so that it's working against gravity that's trying to pull it down. You will feel this. It is a great way. Now, you want to get a stretch. To come out of it, you can either bend your knees and come back out, or you can arch straight up and press the head through. And that feels good. Then lifting back up and walking yourself out. Ta-da! You can do it there. You can do it against a kitchen counter. It all works. So everybody can plank. Isn't that a great thing? Now, some of you might find, oh, that's still a bit much on your wrist. You can do it forearms, just like we did on the floor and in the chair. Forearms. I'm going to think, drop my elbows down till I feel my rib cage or my lats. Elbow in a line and come on down. I still need to drop a little bit down when I'm there, but you can certainly do it here too. Can you see how my elbows are in a line with my shoulders, and then I have my hands together? You can either intertwine and pull yourself into this position. So even if your wrists hurt, you can still do a plank. Let's do this. Come join us in our Planksgiving Challenge.